can't really fudge these numbers, those manual inputs. And just saying, working on the shop floor, there's been requests made before. When I started machining, I started in a big auto shop. There was like 101 CNCs, and the one thing I got really accustomed to quickly was in-process inspection. All day, every 5 minutes or so, if not sooner, I had to fill out inspection reports by hand. Now, that was 20 years ago, and thankfully, things have advanced a little bit. I want to share one of those advancements here to take that manual recording out of the process and, make it more legible. Let's check it out. There's a recent advancement from Mitutoyo, and it's their UWave Bluetooth. Now, they did have the UWave Fit before this, so if you looked at that system, this is new. It's not the same thing. One of the biggest differences is this doesn't take an adapter because it works on Blue Wave technology, so you don't need another receiving unit to put onto the PC. They hook up into any existing caliper or device with an SPC out, and you can see in the background here, they even have smartphone apps. Of course, there's also PC connections, tablet connections, or whatever data collection device you may have near the machines. And there's an overview there of the IP ratings as well. It's as simple as a little click here of this button, and away you go. It automatically inputs it directly into their MeasureLink software or into an Excel spreadsheet. If you're tired of illegible paperwork or people just not filling them out, this is a great opportunity to upgrade the quality of your measurement and your in-process inspection for you and your customers. When it's captured this way, it adds an extra level because, can't really fudge these numbers without taking a measurement. Those manual inputs, and just saying, working on the shop floor, there's been requests made before. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.